Hey, we're about to convert some decimals into percents. So the first thing we need to remember is that a percent is out of 100. Up here, if you look at this decimal, we have got 15 hundredths. So we could rewrite that as a fraction. We know that it is 15 out of 100. And that right away tells us, hey, our percent is 15. Sorry, that's some garbage circling. Or we could just take our decimal and multiply by 100. Easiest way to remember how to multiply by 100 is to slide your decimal to the right 2 times, and that will give us 15%. So 15 out of 100. Looking down here, we've got 1.03. We're going to change that to a percent by moving our decimal. So let's slide our decimal to the right 2 times. That gives us 103%. Some of you might be going, that feels weird. How do we have 103 out of 100? So what this means is we've got 3% more than the original amount, because if you remember from my class, our original amount is always 100.